Visual Cut can take a crystal report like this one and using an export format called Web Grid, turn it into an interactive grid within a web page. Let's start the process. And this also takes care of uploading the resulting file to my website and sending me an email with a link to the resulting web page. And here's what this email looks like. Here's the hyperlink to the web grid. This grid is fully interactive in the sense that I can group. For example, I can take the employee column header, drag it into the grouping area, and at this point the grid is grouped by employee. I can sort. For example, I can sort by lead time using a single click. The sort is at this point ascending. Another click will turn it into descending, and another click will remove the sort. I can filter. For example, I can filter on country, and instead of selecting all, I'll restrict it only to USA. So at this point, you can see an indication here that the grid is currently filtered on that column. And you can do text filters, you can do value filters, like in this case. And these are very similar to the filtering mechanisms that you see within Excel. I can also change the order of the columns. For example, if I want to move country a bit closer to the left edge of the grid, I can simply drag it over. I can also select columns. So if I don't want to see the day of the week and I don't want to see, let's say, the color column, I can click now OK, and those columns are gone. I can export to Excel, I can print, I can also change the color theme. So for example, I can change it from dark theme to light theme, or to Bootstrap 4, or to high contrast, or I can bring it back to material dark. The grid remembers all these settings that I just picked. So if I close out of this and revisit the web grid, all those choices of grouping, sorting, column selections, and so on are retained.